I was really shocked when I see your training videos and I learned from you. I created my website within just 2 days and I launched it in the third day. I can say this was on 10 on 10 because I've already experienced many courses before. The channel that we have, the members are all very good. Like whenever I have a doubt, I ask them and any one of them replies. I thought no, I need to do it now. I started it and yeah, everything that you have promised was delivered in all your courses. My confidence level is, you can say, it's 8 out of 10 right now. These skills are something I would say no one has ever taught me, or I have ever seen someone teaching these skills.
Hi everyone, meet Raunak. He's a digital nomad from Kolkata. He launched his business in just 7 days. Is it true, Raunak?
Yeah, it's absolutely true. So first of all, thanks to you, Bipin, because of your training and video sessions. I learned everything and I am capable of starting my business in 7 days. I launched my business in 7 days.
Awesome. So now you wanted to you wanted to be an entrepreneur, be your own boss, and you're
Yep.
thinking about this from long time. Were you thinking
Yeah,
about? Okay.
yeah. So when I I was in a job. So when I started my job, I after working for 6 to 7 months, I thought of doing something of my own because that wasn't a cup of my tea. So
Okay.
yeah, I was thinking about it for a very long time.
Okay. So from how long are you were thinking of getting started, doing something on your own?
You can say past 2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years. Okay. So have you tried anything in the past, or you were just because if you had busy schedule you couldn't do it, or anything you have tried in the past?
Yeah, I tried some courses. So I tried the website designing course as well. That was a coding
Okay.
course. So that costed me around 80,000 rupees, and that went up to 2 years. That was a course for 2 years. Post doing that course as well, I was not able to launch my website. It never taught me how to launch it. It just taught me how to build it. That to not a proper one. So I was
Mhm.
really shocked when I see your training videos and I learned from you. I created my website within just 2 days and I launched it in the third day. So it was very astonishing situation for me, like how it you can be done. I was just shocked by seeing that.
Correct. So you didn't believe that easy a website can be done, correct?
Right, absolutely.
Wow. Wow. And yeah, coming back, like that is about website you told. What about other skills? What all skills have you learned?
So I've learned a lot of skills. The major skills are closing. The closing secrets was amazing. Apart from that, the copywriting secrets, how to do the copywriting techniques, the techniques that we should follow. Then the Facebook ads, advertising of Facebook and Instagram. So
Yes.
there are many
So
more.
you have
Yeah.
yes, there are
Yep.
many more. So you have experienced website. That's what a lot of institutes or a lot of training places do. They charge you 1 lakh, 80,000, 1 lakh. They do it for 2 years, and they try to show you there is so much stuff
Right.
and it is so complicated. Okay, that is one thing. But let's say, uh, i- all other skills that you've learned. You said copywriting, Facebook ads, closing. For all of this, any institute or any training place, they will at least take 6 months to 1 year.
Right. Absolutely.
They'll take it. But you have learned everything in just 30 days.
Yes.
So a lot of people said, even MBA will not even come close to this.
No, not at all. Actually, I am doing MBA, an
Okay.
online MBA course. So that's I have a digital marketing paper in that. So
Mm.
I've already completed three semesters of that, but they never taught me how to do the Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising. So I was just thinking like, why did I choose that and not this before? Like
Correct.
it's like it has a lesser cost, and it
Correct.
you taught me it the same thing. In fact, not the same thing, the much of that in a very less time.
Correct. So now, you know how to run ads.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've shown you the real dashboard of how I run ads, how I do for clients. You know it now. That's where the confidence comes. On a scale of 1 to 10, like compared to traditional education or MBA, how powerful is this? 2, 3, 8, 10?
I can say this was on 10 on 10 because I've already experienced many courses before.
Okay. So you said about MBA that you're specializing in digital marketing or
No, I'm specializing in business management, but digital marketing was a paper for me for past 2 semesters.
okay. So basically, you know what? They will just have a book. They'll have a chapter.
Right,
They will do this, that feature, and all that. But where do we really see implementation?
right. They
Right.
were
That's
not
where,
giving me the practical knowledge that I
yeah.
want.
Because I'll tell you, they'll not give you because they themselves don't know. Because they're working professionals or they're employees. So that's where the learning from a real entrepreneur makes you feel so powerful.
Right, absolutely.
Awesome. So, yeah, if did you get the support when you were here? Were you stuck? Like in terms of support, did you get the help that you
Yep,
wanted?
yes, absolutely. So the channel that we have, the members are all very good. Like whenever I have a doubt, I ask them, and any one of them replies. Like
Got
major times, 4 or 5 of them replies in a single question. Like not even only one people. So the
awesome.
community is
And
very good.
perfect. Like when you wanted to join, like tell me like how you saw me or how you got to know about me. Then when you wanted to join, we had promised a lot of things. So did we deliver whatever we promised?
Yes. So from the starting of it, I got to know about digital nomad from Instagram, your advertisings. So I searched for something else, but I came to your videos, and then I thought of following you for a while. I followed you for about 2 to 3 months just to get to know you more. So post that, I was really convinced. I was in your first meeting for 3 to 4 times. I attended that, and
Oh,
I was like literally very much convinced. So I thought like, no, I need to do it now. I started it, and yeah, everything that you have promised was delivered in all your courses,
okay,
even
awesome.
more than what you promised. Something that wasn't expecting, those were also there.
True. So it's very powerful. Now, what is your plan? Let's say, to get clients. How's your confidence level now on a scale of 1 to 10?
My confidence level is, you can say, it's 8 out of 10 right now.
8 because just getting started, but
Right,
8 is a lot.
right.
Okay, great. So you said copywriting, how to write sales copies, use the power of words, Facebook ads, and all of this. I I have seen a lot of advertising agencies in most of the cities. They don't know what you guys know. So
That's
don't
amazing. Yeah,
that that is 100%. I've experienced many things, many places, many people. One of the agency they run an agency. They are like the big in the city. Nobody knows what is copywriting. They run an entire advertising show. They don't know much about it, but still they'll post few things, put some ads. They will do magic. It's all in the mindset. Now, you having so much of skills and so many, so much of support from the community and having everything, nothing should stop you. That's what I want to say.
right.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Um, See, imagine this business as a rental property. Okay. So one client is equal to one house or one apartment in big city. So
Right.
one client can pay you 25,000 to 35, $40,000 as well. So now if you own a client in USA, the client is worth $1,000 per month.
Yep.
So it's like just owning a rental house in USA.
Absolutely.
And
Yeah.
if you have a client in a metropolitan city and they pay you 30,000 per month, it's like having a apartment of worth 30,000.
Right.
So if you
That's right.
have three,
Absolutely.
four houses, that's how you have to go in. Okay. So if someone wants to join the movement, um, what do you suggest? Should they come in? join our
Yep,
movement?
yep. They should absolutely come in. They should
Why?
absolutely know all of these. These skills are something I would say no one has ever taught me, or I have ever seen someone teaching these skills. So I would say like people of my age or age of less than me, they don't know that there is something powerful like this that exists in the world. So they should be knowing this, of course, and they should be implementing it.
Perfect. And final question, how is your mindset now? Like, what were you thinking before? Like, what is your mindset? What's your mindset now? What personally did something change personally inside you?
Yes, definitely. So your courses just changed my mindset totally. So before I used to think like I was not sure, very sure in which direction to move, or what should I do or what should I not do. But now my mindset is like I'm very much clear what I'm going to do and what I will be achieving in my future. I have a proper goal set in my mind, and like that's it. Like,
Awesome. More power to you. Believe, see, you have seen something now in just 30 days.
like,
The beauty is once you have seen, you cannot unsee it. So you have seen the reality. So the only thing is like, you have seen, you have put your goal, you have your vision board for 1 year, goals for, 3 years, 1 year at least. You just have to believe in it and walk the path, because the entire community is there. We are there. Join the weekly calls. Stay surrounded with the like-minded people and just walk the path. Believe it or not, your vision board by the end of 1 year, 80% will be completed. I'm telling out of the experience that my students had. So all the very best. More
thank
power
you.
to you.